Welcome back to my YouTube channel, darling. So today it's Christmas. Happy Christmas to you all. Okay, you'll get this video after Christmas, I know. But happy Christmas. Hope you enjoyed with the families. Okay, because you're gonna watch this later. So hope you enjoy with the families, all the blessings. Kesana. Boop boop. Okay, so yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. We're currently busy, yeah. Hey you guys, so this is the 25th of December, which is Christmas, but busy because silungiselela umgidi, so kusaphekwa ke ngoku isidudu. So ila moment yosila and stuff, so naba ochomi, but I'll show you guys kakuhle. They're currently busy, so yeah. Okay guys, abafuna uvela abanye, so andifuna baharasa. So yeah, we're currently busy at that time. I'm so happy because my brother's gonna come back. Okay, no, it's in the morning, I shouldn't be doing that, but yeah guys, I'll show you everything and I'll update you with everything. It's so nice to gather with your family and stuff like that. So I've been saying to them, Dini Zibazana. Kutwa Zibazana in the bonnet in a pajama. But yeah, guys, yeah, I love you. We'll catch up. Hello you guys, so guess I'm currently cooking kutya Christmas, but okunye sikuphekela phandle. It's so funny, I know, but not zonke izinto we're gonna cook them paphandle, we're gonna cook them endlini ezinye. So yeah, anzachi jongane nakholana nobe lapho because I'm burning. Feeling well. I have just been going through it, those days. Yeah, I'm not gonna vent now, it's not that time. Anyway guys, I'm going to Mgidini it's nearby, you know. So I'm just preparing now. I'm just gonna show you the fit if I can, but I'll try to show you the fit. It's not that wow, you know, but like I'm gonna look good. Don't mind me being a mess by myself because I'm in Cape, darling. Yeah. So yeah, okay guys, I'll just show you what I'm gonna wear, and yeah, we're gonna get going. I love you. So I decided on wearing umbhaco omhlophe netop emnyama. I couldn't show you guys kakuhle, but hopefully you have the glimpse of what I'm gonna wear. This is the tights for underneath. So yeah, I was installing up my wig, and then I was just good to go. I was just waiting for it to dry. There's my shoes, and yeah, I'm using fast drying spray, guys. I'm not using glue, and I would say it works very well for mna, and I love using it because I see white marks or anything like that. So I just love using fast drying. I recommend it sana for umntu like ongazange wa-installa ngokwakhe. I recommend using fast drying noba yeyiphi brand. So I decided against letting my hair loose because ear is emlomeni, so that's why I put this silk belt. Guess I know, but I look good, guys. I can't show you my outfit kakuhle because there's no one to shoot me, but this is me. I hope you can see. So ewe sana ndawufendela phezu kwenyama sana. Oh, tu umntu uyawufendela enqatheni. Hello. Siyamgidini guys, akusatshisi kwezi lali sana. Zawufela enyameni phantsi kwenqathi. So ngena kulo ngokutshisa kunje sana. Okay, nanti amakhulu. Uba ndibone uCharles Bheki. Ngiyajonga umntu apha. Uba ungumntu ozilumayo ngazi. finally ngumgidi wasekhaya ngomso. So bekulungiselela apha on the 27th ukuxhelwa kwenkomo. Uye waxhelelwa inkomo, so ibingobhuti aba bezama ukuxhela laa nkomo, kuxhelelwa ungomso. Namhlanje bekuzawutyiwa izinto zangaphakathi nomngqusho kwenzela abantu xa befikile babe nento yotya, ngoba ibiyimini yomphumo namhlanje, bephuma amakrwala. So hopefully you enjoy the vlog so far. So yeah, this is where it starts. Love you all. Hopefully nonwabile kwindawo ngendaweni kuzo. Ndiyanithanda. Hey you guys, kuxakekekile bantwana basekhaya, kuxakekekile zithandwa. Hey guys, hope you're well today. 27th, which is ukuphuma komkhwetha. So ndiklina indlu le bazohlala kuyo. So we're currently busy kuyaxhelwa yonke loo nto leyo. So yeah, ndibusy kule ndlu. Ndizama ukuklina yabo, so that xa befika naye bafike kuklina. Akho nto ingako. Guys, Goku, I'll see what I can do because I'm done here. It's clean, it's fresh. And still waiting on my sister to arrive. It dust. It dust. I don't know if you can see it something. So yeah, I think I'm gonna bath because basana apha awuhlambanga. Awuhlambanga kwangoku ekuseni. Sozophinda wabona amanzi sana. So I'm gonna take bath maybe xa ndifika endlini. I don't know because xa ndifika kuqala ngafika ndithule. Kuningi. It keeps on getting kuningi, yeah. But yeah guys, I'll update you. Oh, I haven't been. I think I'll go maningi. So yeah guys, we'll catch up. Bye.
Cuman kas bicara aja kas buka. Ay, voy a ir, mamá. Ya, voy a poner. Molweni guys.
sisando yokuqaba kuthiwa ngabantu amakrwala ngoku so kuthiwa siqabe ngathi yho jonga sinjani ngathi
Ngiyasibona uba sinjani ngathi sizihoho. Kanti kwenziwa kanje.
I look like a hobo. Hey you guys again, it's your girl Diadlala. I'm super tired, so just wanted to update you guys that it's currently the night of 27th of December. Sitting we're so tired, but my family is still preparing for tomorrow because ngomkiti so namhlanje bengiphuma because like bebephuma maqala. So yeah, tomorrow is the day we're finally waiting. So besilindile le mini iyo ngomso akusanethi apha. Hopefully guys niyandiva. So ngomso it's the mkidi. So I'll take you guys with me. Even today I couldn't really vlog because I was busy. You know xa intombazana ba busy phinde besincedisa kulaa ndlu yamakrwala yabo because beninembola and stuff. I just watched it. So I just took not bath, hlambe. I wouldn't say bath, but like yeah, I washed and then I was gonna say we're gonna catch up tomorrow. I'll try to vlog. My family today was helping me out, taking the camera and doing the things. Otherwise I'm not busy. Cool. I did try in the morning, but like after that I couldn't. So they helped me out. So yeah, we're gonna catch up tomorrow, guys. I'm so excited. My brother is finally back, safe and sound. He is good. Like I saw him, alright, and we're glad. We thank God. Oh, Sana, we thank the Lord that my brother is back safe because his name is in reasons and he took into bana abe olapa ngoku yabo. I ndithatha shame yo. I'm super grateful, Lord. Thank you, Sana. So yeah, guys, we're gonna catch up tomorrow. Bye, love you. Hey you guys, just a quick update. This is the day of Umgeti, which is the 28th of December. I'm currently wearing an apron because I'm preparing salads. So yeah, it's just that we woke up early for Yogwenza eat. I couldn't capture that because it was early in the morning. For Basioni Kamakwala, because so that's what they expected of us. So si preparation eating. After eating nesonka, then sabuya sazolungiselela saphinde sadibanisa ezinye izinto ezenziwe as I said. So ngoku segqibezela, it's just mixing salads and stuff like that, you know. So that is zonke izinto ezibe well prepared. So yeah. Nalapha ukhona ngiyisikayi oh this is much.
Bahla namhlanje abanye yabo. Sawuhla ngomso thina.
Manje uzimpompa apha sana. Ngavela ubone sewufeinta because akhaxesha lawutya guys alikho, like literally. Now when the song that is being ndiphuma ecaleni because no ways kunini didiniwe. Currently busy preparing. I'm not done, don't come for me. But yeah. This is shy. Izakajike. Kajike makazi. What's on a cardboard? Anzo nervous.
Insikelelo siyayokozela apekhaya insikelelo siyayokozela apekhaya insikelelo
Wayengelela kuhle. Yiyole. Yankongoza wavulele na 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 yankongoza. I am cheering the girls, the girls, the girls. Oh, Jashale, Sakoko Guys, this is me saying that I'm busy. I didn't update you much, but other than that, Sana, guys, it's very nice. People are here, and I love you loads. Oh, they are charm burning. Check out here, Sana. Yo, it's busy, and I'm the girl. So yeah, guys, like, I'm so sorry, I'll just include clips here and there, but anyways, hope you're enjoying the vlog. If you enjoy, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, darling, if you haven't. So my returning sub is Oko, okay guys, I love you so much.
Mama bafika
bathathu ndimnezibazana ke sana kasemhle. Girl Sana, I feel so cute. I feel super cute. Sana, I'm embracing my dad's culture today. It's because I'm embracing culture. Guess I'm having this happen, which I did by myself. Cheers. Eke pose ake bawufuna ufoto. Kuthwani? Wenza njani ipose zakho? Enze sure eke. Enze busy namsutshela ngingazibusela nobusela andibusela. But ke xakekile anani bayintoni le aqala noyibonga. But ndingumfazelane ndadlala. At my home there's actually a ceremony, so we're currently busy and stuff like that. But I miss you too. I was so happy seeing you, man. I'm super tired. Hai man phone ini. Hai sisi. Uselapha mos. We're gonna make it Hey you guys, I forgot to close the vlog, but don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Could I put a thumbs up if you liked the video? Yeah guys, I love you so much. I just came by to say hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah man, on to the next one. Kesana, love you loads. You do have a subscribe, aba.
Nyezithunzi lento nqa.
Kaloku yilento ithweleyo yeke.
Ithi kanje. So ngani ke bantwana bakuthi.
Ayibo ngonethemba.
Yes. Amelani ke bantu bakuthi.
Xolo. Okay.
Kopani in notification bell. Then you subscribe and you comment yango. Nichaze ba sazinto kanene comment
Becomment kaloku ba like.
oh ni like
Share.
ni share ha yes
Baba subscribe ngumuntu subscribe.
bawuka subscribe kuzo zonke ividiyo zale ntombazana
Hayi kusubscribe kayi-1.
hey1
Kusubscribe kayi-1 kaloku subscribe kwi-channel. And then ke ngoku xa kusubscribe sizawumane zivela ii-videos yebo.
eleke ufaka ividiyo kusubscribe oh ngivile ezibesitsho apa yini
Akala lumba salikwekwe